How to sell your Notcoin in Tonkeeper wallet. First, open your Tonkeeper wallet on your phone. Then, go to the buy and sell option. And once inside you can go proceed to the sell category. But unfortunately, there's no ways on how you're going to sell your Notcoins inside the Tonkeeper wallet. Meanwhile, inside the buy section we can then go ahead buy Notcoins inside our Tonkeeper wallet. Now, another idea on what can we do in this situation is transferring our Notcoin into another wallet. Just for an example is OKX, and once you're inside of OKX, you can just go and get the address for this specific wallet. And inside the Tonkeeper wallet you could just go and click on send option along with buy and sell and more. Paste the address and from there you can go ahead and choose your Notcoin. In that way you will be able to sell your Notcoins in wallet like OKX. And that's it. Hope you learned something new with me today, but that's it. Thank you.